There was only one time that I had massive arguments with my parents was only when I fell in love. That was it. तब तक मैं उनकी अच्छी बच्ची थी.
First myth that you had about sex.
Please मुझ पे हंसना मत. Please. प्लीज. मुझे लगता था कि नेवल होता है ना, उसको खोल के बच्चा बाहर निकालते और उसको फिर बांध के रख देते.
So this is Priya Bapat on the Good Girls Show today. Hi Priya.
Hello Pari, how are you?
Good. How have you been?
Great.
आपके लिए किसी ने वो वाला गाना गाया है कभी? ओ प्रिया ओ प्रिया.
दोनों गाए. पिया पिया ओ पिया पिया, वो भी गाए.
I love that song by the way.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Yeah. But this is the Good Girls Show. So मेरा पहला question ये होगा that have you been a good girl? Have you been asked to be a good girl?
All my life I have been a good girl, like obedient child, perfect in everything that that parents would want you to do. Like माँ बाप की सुनो, पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छी, never complain or never raise a voice. I think there was only one time that I had massive arguments with my parents was only when I fell in love. That was it. तब तक मैं उनकी अच्छी बच्ची थी. ये जो बोलेगी करेगी. मम्मी को मदद करना घर पे, सारे घर के काम करना बिना बोले, बहन के भी काम करना बिना बोले. So even in school, like I was always that girl who teachers would say इसकी सुनो, इसका देखो, ये बहुत अच्छी है. एक ही चीज है जिसकी वजह से मैंने बहुत बार ये सुना है, and I face that problem a lot now. I've always had a higher pitch. I always spoke in a higher pitch. तो मुझे हमेशा ये बोला गया कि धीरे बात किया करो, लड़कियों को धीरे बात करनी चाहिए. The way we were raised as as daughters by my parents, I have to give them credit. क्योंकि मुझे पता ये once जब लड़के घर पे होते हैं ना तो सिचुएशन अलग होती है, जब लड़कियां होती है तो सिचुएशन बहुत अलग होती है. So my uncle, my Baba's elder brother, has two sons, and we are two daughters. Like मैं और मेरी बहन, elder sister. So हम घर में शॉर्ट्स पहनते थे. पर एक बार अंकल घर आए and he saw us and he told बाबा कि लड़कियों को बोलो कि शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहनने चाहिए, ऐसे शॉर्ट्स पहन के बाहर मत घूमो. And I was so happy even as a child then that my father stood by us and he said, Dada, it's time we should change. Now it's not time for us to tell them not to wear it. It's time for us to accept that this is how it's going to be and it's okay.
So, because आपकी एक बड़ी बहन है and I feel that elder sisters pave the way for so many things for the younger sisters, right? तो आपको लगता है ऐसा कुछ किया है आपकी बड़ी बहन ने जिसके वजह से you could actually do a lot in life?
She has always been my inspiration right from childhood. I looked up to her. So I always wanted to do things like she did. She was the one who would protect me. Like if even if there are any boys who are teasing me or bullying me in the school, she would go and just give them a punch. We fought a lot. We had multiple disagreements and we both are very different individuals. She never settled for less. She wanted to join fashion school. My parents didn't understand. She pushed and she went. She was the one who decided at a very early age that after fashion, she'll work for 1 year and then again she'll study for another 3 years for textiles. So these were very different industries for people like, for families like us who came from a very simple middle class Marathi families. That probably she created for me. Where when I decided to get into acting, I followed the same path and I followed the same vision that she believed that I would never settle for less and I'll believe in my dreams. And she did. So today she has started, we both co-own it, but we started a sustainable label where we make saris. We have a brand called Saventry. And because she's a textile designer, she creates it. So I think that somewhere, I think I carried it forward.
राखी बांधते हो आप लोग एक दूसरे को?
हाँ, for the last 3-4 years. I think my emotions for her changed entirely when she became a mother. Even though she's my elder sister, मैं उससे लाड नहीं करवा के लेती because I'm so self-made, और maybe बचपन से ही खुद का खुद करना, मम्मी को हेल्प करना, खुद को ग्रो करो, खुद करो, ये इतना है that I probably would take that from my parents or my husband, but not never from my sister. But it's only when she gave birth to my niece is when that shift happened, and then I felt कि जो जो सुकून मुझे माँ की गोद में आता है, now I feel that सुकून on my sister's lap.
Oh, that's so
तो
sweet.
yeah.
But आपने ना बहुत बार like you also spoke, अभी भी आपने बात की about how your father has always been like this supportive, progressive father. आपने कहीं ये भी बोला था that you've always seen him doing घर का काम. There was never a difference, you know, like gender roles wasn't a thing. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when you see things like this, जहाँ पर gender roles aren't a thing for you, एक expectation बन जाती है for your partner also.
मैं बहुत जल्दी प्यार में पड़ गई, तो मैंने ये सब सोचा ही नहीं था. आई थिंक ये सारे थॉट्स ना मुझे शादी के बाद कुछ सालों के बाद आए. क्योंकि पहले ना कुछ साल ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं कि एक तो आपको भी बहुत एनर्जी होती है कि अभी नई नई शादी हुई है तो मैं ये सब करूंगी, मैं वो करूंगी, और घर चलाना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई लव इट एंड आई एंजॉय इट. किचन का काम आई लव इट, आई डू इट. अगर मेरी हेल्प्स और मेड्स नहीं आए, मैं खुद करती हूँ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. झाड़ू करती हूँ, पोछा करती हूँ, सब करती हूँ, एंड आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम डूइंग दैट. इट्स माय हाउस. बट माय हस्बैंड was raised in a very different way. They always had a 24-hour help in the house, and there were 3 boys. So nobody told them कि आप अगर कॉफी पी रही हो तो आपका कप आप खुद उठा के सिंक में रखो. Nobody told them. This started bothering me when my work really increased. जब मैं बहुत काम करने लगी और घर पे हेल्प होते हुए भी there are certain things that I want to do it my way. So even if I have the help, she'll do it. I'll come and correct it and keep it the way I want to keep it. So this is a little perfection thing that I have. But it started bothering me then. तुम मेरा भार थोड़ा हल्का करो, तुम ये करो. So now I'm into marriage for 14 years and we have been together for 20 years. It's been couple of years now. So शादी के शायद 10 साल बाद, 11 साल बाद he understood what it is and he accepted and he changed in how he changes that he's like proactively वो मेरे से नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो मेरे में है ही नहीं. तुम मुझे बताओ, मैं कर दूंगा. So we have reached that point and I'm happy about it. It's okay. He doesn't realize it on his own. It's fine. But there are certain things in our marriage that I don't do it on my own.
Today, that's such a deal breaker for relationships.
Yeah.
Right? Like, मैं क्यों सिखाऊं? Yeah. Why should I teach?
Yeah.
So, how do you like? Where do you put a stop? Like, where do you draw a line? Where do you think यार इतना ही मैं सिखा सकती हूँ लेकिन इतना ही?
मुझे लगता है दोनों तरफ से वो भी लाइन है कि मैं सिखा सकती हूँ बस इतना ही. I'll come to that. But there is also another side कि दूसरा आदमी भी सीख सकता है लेकिन उतना ही. अगर रिलेशनशिप में this is a kind of equality that I expect कि अगर मैं इतना एडजस्ट कर रही हूँ तो तुम उतना एडजस्ट करो अपने आप से, तभी बैलेंस बनेगा. मैं ये भी नहीं करूंगी, मैं इतना क्यों करूं? Once you start questioning that, why? And I always feel that between Umesh and me, I think it is the relationships are beyond all of this. अगर आपको एक basic respect और प्यार, the feeling of love, if you feel that for that person, then you do it. Then you do whatever you can do at the best of your ability and capacity.
Right.
And same for the other gender. I'm not saying it is only for girls to do. It is for both of them. I see my husband also going out of the way to do it. मैंने एक ना विद्या बालन का इंटरव्यू देखा था और मुझे वो लाइन बहुत अच्छी लगी थी उनकी कि marriage is you have to work towards keeping it the way it is every day,
Yeah.
and both of you have to work towards it. So अगर आप दोनों उतना invest नहीं करोगे तो वो नहीं होगा. I
Right.
have a lot of friends who are in their 30s, 32, 33 के age में, who are not married, and they're also not dating anyone. And they are so not disturbed, but they are little upset with the fact that कि अभी कौन मिलेगा और कैसे होगा. Sometimes I also feel that हम जैसे बड़े होते हैं ना, वैसे ये डिसीजन लेना शायद हमारे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग एज इंडिविजुअल्स. Your opinions are much, much, much stronger than what it was in your 20s.
Yeah.
You have figured out life for yourself.
Yeah. And
In your 30s, you have figured
Correct.
out. You know what you want to do. So, अगर तब मुझे कोई बोले 4 चीजें adjust कर लो, ये कर लो, I was still open for it. Today, at this age, if I'm going out to look, find a boy, and today, if you ask me, I'll have 100 filters.
Yeah.
Because I've also made myself certain
Correct.
way.
And you get so comfortable with your own space.
Absolutely.
That you
and you
don't
have
feel
earned
like
yourself the way you are. You have
Yeah.
made yourself.
Yeah.
मतलब आपने बहुत मेहनत की है खुद को ये बनाने के लिए, तो आप क्यों सैक्रिफाइस करें?
हाँ.
तो मुझे कभी-कभी ये भी लगता है कि does it become more difficult as you grow up to find a better match? Because आपने खुद पे ही भी बहुत मेहनत कर ली है तब तक.
Yeah.
Then I think it becomes even more difficult when you actually start living together कि मैं अभी इतना ही करूंगी.
Correct.
मैं इससे ज्यादा क्यों करूं? मैं इतना करके आई हूं ना अब तक.
Correct. So कितने 20 years से you guys have been
Yeah.
together, right? When you were what, like 18 when you fell in love?
Yes.
And मुझे वो story पता है that you went out of your way and
Yeah.
you like pursued him
I did.
and you were like चाहिए तू मुझे. पूरा वैसा था ना.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं बचपन में उसके शोज देखती थी टेलीविजन पे, and I was like a fan. I really used to admire him, and it was a fangirl moment था. And we happened to work in a television series together, but we met only on the last day of the shoot. तब numbers exchange किए, मतलब मैंने ही लिया उसका नंबर. तो वो ना पहले तो प्रीपेड थे, पोस्टपेड तो बहुत बाद में हुआ.
Correct.
किसके पास इतना पैसा था तब?
हाँ.
प्रीपेड थे, और मैंने मेरा मोबाइल ना, मैं एक शो जो कर रही थी उसमें हमें कन्वेंस मिलता था, विच इज योर ट्रैवलिंग अलाउंस. तो वो ट्रैवलिंग अलाउंस को जमा कर करके मैंने खुद का पहला फोन खरीदा था, विच वाज नोकिया 331. और उसमें ना ऑफर्स आते थे पहले, रात के 9 से सुबह 9 बजे तक फ्री,
नंबर ऑफ
मैसेजेस फ्री. मैं उसको मिस्ड कॉल दे देती. I never used to call him if I wanted to talk to him. I used to give him a missed call. हाँ. और pretend as if अच्छा लग गया क्या शायद, अच्छा अभी बात करने, अभी लगाया ही फोन तो बात कर लो. Then I used to talk to him घंटों.
How cute.
And also the 9 to 9 thing. Like मुझे पता है, we proposed, like not propose, but we kind of told each other कि हम एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं over the phone. वो जो रात के 9 बजे से सुबह 9 बजे का जो फ्री टाइम होता है ना, वो तो सुबह 4 बजे मैंने उसको कॉल पे बोला
कि सुन अभी फ्री चल रहा है, मैं अभी बोल देती हूँ.
हाँ, सुबह 9 बजे खत्म हो जाएगा.
How cute, yeah. Okay, so we'll do a fun segment which is called Then versus Now.
Okay.
Love edition. Date or idea of a date. What was it before and अब क्या है?
It's still the same.
Yeah?
Good conversation. And I think that is the perfect date for me. तभी भी I remember this one date जो मैं जिंदगी में कभी नहीं भूलूंगी. एक चर्चगेट में रेलिश करके एक रेस्टोरेंट है. वहाँ पे ना I mean there were very few restaurants around town side that time जहाँ पे कैंडल लाइट डिनर्स होते थे. तो थर्सडे को रेलिश में कैंडल लाइट डिनर होते थे. And I think, I mean, that is one date from my then time is what I remember. बस एक कैंडल है, एक अच्छा खाना है, सामने मेरी चहेता इंसान है, and I'm having a great conversation is a perfect date for me. और जो अभी भी
So it's still the same.
Same, yeah.
Okay. Resolving a fight or a conflict. पहले कैसे होता था और अब कैसे होता है?
पहले तो मैं बहुत चिढ़ती थी, और एक चीज कॉमन है अभी भी, जो है मुझे तभी के तभी रिजॉल्व करना होता है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. अभी हुआ है झगड़ा, अभी बोलो, जो भी है दिल में बोल दो, गाली दो, जो भी है, आफ्टर 10 minutes विल बी ओके. अब I think as I'm growing older, I'm also realizing that, and I'm accepting that this is not how he wants it. This is my way of resolving it. So now I give him time. So probably immediate नहीं होता conversation अब, next day होता है.
रोमांटिक जेस्चर्स पहले क्या हुआ करते थे और अब क्या है?
I'm not a materialistic person at all. मुझे बड़े बड़े गिफ्ट्स नहीं अच्छे लगते. I like छोटी चीजों में बहुत ज्यादा मजा आता है. So तभी भी मुझे if you bring me flowers, I really used to like it.
Okay.
And आज भी.
Uplifting each other on a bad day.
I think then it was more about conversations. Like we used to talk to each other and sort it out. Like, you know, I think we both have had each other for a very, like, we've been together for a very long time. तो हमने एक दूसरे के life के हर उतार चढ़ाव को देखा है. Like from not having work to having great success and winning awards, and then again going down into professional life, saying that आज काम नहीं है, space से, losing your parents, illness, everything we have seen so closely that I think just by knowing, I mean, then it only used to be about talking to each other and, you know, just finding that support. Now it is more about not talking but still being there for each other. Now we know that we don't really have to, you know, go and tell something to the other person. वो समझ जाता है कि मैं हूँ, मैं समझ जाती हूँ कि वो है. You know, I really find it very, very, very calming when Umesh just puts his hand on my head.
Yeah.
I think it's just, I might just cry immediately and then वो सब went out automatically हो जाएगा. But still, we both believe in having conversations. We both do. In whatever, whether you're happy, whether you're sad, whether you are, you know, having a bad day, or whether you have something great to share, or you have had a fight. I think for me, you need to have, and you have to have a healthy conversation with your partner. If you can't talk about things and if you can't share that,
Yeah.
then I think then it doesn't work for me.
Yeah. बहुत ज्यादा सिंगल फील हो रहा है मुझे.
क्यों?
मैं एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी सेगमेंट में आपको, which is non-negotiables या deal breakers किस तरह बदले? When you are like in the early stage of your relationship, some things might not work for you, and then those things eventually change over a span of time.
I have a very different answer to this. If it was today, then there would have been some deal breakers. Because I started dating at the age of 17, 18,
Yeah.
and he was also very young, we both kind of adapted the newer versions of how we were growing. ये आज अगर तुम पूछो, if I don't have Umesh in life, and if then I would have a lot of deal breakers. कि अगर तुम respect नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर तुम gender, and I genuinely mean that, because I see a lot of people who even in my family who expect me to do things, and when Umesh gets up and does something, they'll be like, "अरे रुक ना, वो कर रही है." And then,
Really?
yeah,
Still happens.
Yeah.
Because
so that would be a deal breaker if Umesh expects the same, but he doesn't. He'll tell them, नहीं हाँ मैं करता हूँ ना.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ, अभी भी ऐसा होता है क्या जब कोई घर पर आता है तो क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन उठकर पानी लाने की, कुछ करने की आपसे ही होती है?
हाँ, मुंह पे नहीं बोलते, लेकिन एक्सपेक्टेशन तो होती है. But that would have been a deal breaker if my husband would have believed that. He also doesn't believe it. That's fine. If others are believing it, it's okay for me. I just have to deal with them for a day.
Yeah.
वो जाने वाले हैं. उसका मुझे ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't bother about it so much. But it still happens.
Okay, so now we'll do something which is called the firsts.
Yeah.
And this is the last segment, but it's called the first. These are questions about the firsts in your life. First crush.
अब शाहरुख खान.
Right.
Always been a शाहरुख खान fan. Like मैं बचपन में उनके वो पोस्ट कार्ड्स आते थे. पोस्टर्स नहीं, पोस्ट कार्ड्स ऐसे. तो माधुरी दीक्षित, काजोल, शाहरुख खान and रानी मुखर्जी were my favorites.
First myth that you had about sex.
ये तो था कि अगर किस कर दो तो बच्चा हो जाता है. वो तो बड़ा कॉमन है.
तो I think all of us
बहुत कॉमन है. पर ये मैं बता रही हूँ, प्लीज मुझ पे हंसना मत, प्लीज. मुझे लगता था कि नेवल होता है ना,
हाँ.
उसको खोल के बच्चा बाहर निकालते और उसको फिर बांध के रख देते. मतलब जैसे मोमो का नॉट हो ऊपर, उसको खोल दिया, बच्चा बाहर निकाले, उसको पैक करके वापस रख दिया.
Oh no,
I'm so
yeah.
sorry. Please don't judge me, guys.
No, of course not. It's
This
just
is stupid.
it's just because like there was nothing, no education,
Yeah.
nothing. था आपके स्कूल में sex ed?
वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरी बहन के बैच तक था. हम पता नहीं क्या हो गया, हमारे
क्यों?
बैच को बंद कर दिया. So even about periods, I found out very secretly when my mom was telling my elder sister.
First kiss.
उमेश. पहले गाड़ी तो नहीं थी, उसके पास बाइक थी, पर बाइक पे कितना ही रोमांस.
बाइक पे कैसे
तो
कर रहे
हम
हो?
तो हमारी दो चीजें थी, एक तो टैक्सी,
हाँ.
काली पीली वाली, और दूसरा तो था यू नो देखो एसी बस. पहले अभी भी है शायद, पता नहीं.
हाँ.
पर हम एसी बस के पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी तक बस लास्ट सीट पे बैठ के ट्रैवल करते थे एंड देन वहां से उल्टा आते थे. Those used to be our romantic drives then. But
Okay.
yeah.
And last one, first uncomfortable experience as a woman.
There are lots. I was in school, 9th grade, 9th standard. And I used to do this experimental play called Vatevarti Kachaga, which was about child sexual exploitation. And I played the girl who was a victim of child abuse. I finished my rehearsals and I was coming back home in a bus. And I saw a man kind of, you know, he was just trying to rub him off me. ऐसे. And I didn't know what to do. मतलब मैं वो प्ले कर रही थी जिसमें मुझे ये सब सिखा रहे थे, मैं सीख भी रही थी, मुझे ये पता भी था. आई वॉज जस्ट इन 9th grade. मुझे समझ भी आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. बट I said, I always looked up to my sister, because अगर वो होती तो वो एक कान के नीचे बजा देती. I was not the one who could do that. मैं डर जाती थी. उस दिन भी मैं बहुत डर गई और आई couldn't think of anything else. मैं रिबेल नहीं कर पाई, मैं उसको मार नहीं पाई, मैं आर्ग्यू नहीं कर पाई, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाई. I froze. I just got up and got down at whatever stop that was. And I was just crying. I didn't know what to do. So I think it's very sad that, and I always feel that whenever I have these conversations with every girl, that very sad that all of us have been through this.
Yeah.
I remember I used to go to college by train. और मैं आज भी अगर ट्रेन से जाते हुए लड़कियां देखती हूँ, नहीं तो बस से जाते हुए देखती हूँ, why do we feel the need to take our backpack at the front?
Yeah.
Why? Why do we always have to protect ourselves so much? Why can't I just feel free and secure कि मैं कुछ भी करूँ मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा? You know, ये feeling मुझे क्यों नहीं आती?
Yeah.
And I don't think it's only a girl or a woman's responsibility. It's rather not. It's high time we make this change and men become little more sensitive and sensible towards this. I always feel very sad and disheartened when I have to share something like this. And there are multiple incidences that I can share.
The least that we can do is just talk about it. Like, what else do we can continue to talk about it, to basically say that it's not something that's behind us, or it's not something that is a thing of the past, and that's why we are still talking about this. But yeah, thank you so much for
What lovely conversation, Sapari. I loved it.
For so candidly sharing so much about your life with me.
Thank you. I've just realized that I'm actually a good girl.
You just realized that you're a good girl.
No, matlab I am. I know that, but it's like, oh,
And-
I love it.
And because you took out the time to be on the Good Girls show, yeah,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed this conversation and thank you. You're a wonderful, wonderful host. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया ये conversation करके और आपको ये सुनने में और बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू सुनने में बहुत मजा आएगा. सो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब युवा.